Hi everyone, we are the Friesens and we work with Eingloven and Multi-Nation Missions Foundation, reaching out to Low German Mennonites all over the world. Our goal is to help provide resources and materials in Plotich so that seekers and believers alike can read, listen, study, and grow in their knowledge of God and His Word. One way we do this is by translating, writing, recording, and performing music in Plotich. We do some music in English as well, but our focus is Plotich. We have found that music is a language that crosses many cultural barriers and reaches deep into the heart. So it is a great tool for evangelism as well as for encouraging believers. In a normal year, we spend approximately half of our time traveling to various Low German communities in the world and sharing God's Word through singing, preaching, and connecting with them one-on-one. The other half of our work time is spent in our office and studio at home in Manitoba, where we write and develop various other resources for use in these communities and churches. Besides the music, our work includes writing and developing a Low German Sunday School curriculum and writing and publishing family devotional books. 2 of our boys are also involved in radio ministries. This past year has been very different from what we're used to. The COVID-19 restrictions have kept us pretty close to home. However, God has been with us and has given us the resources we needed to keep at it. We have been working hard on recording several new albums, translating and writing new songs and devotions, and we've made lots of progress on the Sunday School curriculum. Several new projects, such as coloring and activity books, are also almost ready for publishing. We are thankful to God for enabling us to do this with our family. 3 of our sons work with us on a full-time basis, and the other one volunteers his help whenever he is able. Even if we live far apart, modern technology makes it possible to collaborate on various projects. As you can imagine, there's a lot of work involved. Coming up with new ideas, writing stories and songs, practicing together, recording, editing, drawing illustrations, making videos, designing album covers, book covers, posters and ads, cleaning and maintaining equipment, vehicles and offices, writing and producing radio programs, packing up and traveling, etc., etc. So it is absolutely wonderful to have all of us involved. Since the boys have joined us one by one, we have been able to put out a lot more resources, a lot faster and at a better quality. Their creativity and technical abilities are put to good use. Our prayer as a family and as a ministry team is that we would be found faithful in doing the work God has called us to do, that many souls would be reached and drawn closer to the Lord, and that God would be glorified and His kingdom built up. We are so thankful for God's faithful provision through all the challenges of the past year. We are totally dependent on Him to keep this work going. A big thank you to everyone and every individual organization who has responded to God's prompting and supported us both financially and in prayer. This is a job we cannot do alone, and the partnership of others is greatly needed and appreciated. For more information about us or this ministry, or to make a donation to support us, please contact us by phone, WhatsApp, or email, or visit our page at multinationmissions.org. Also, feel free to visit us on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. Thank you all. God bless you.